Welcome to Family Food Tale. Family that eats together, stays together. Hello and welcome to Family Food Tales. And today I'm super excited for two things. One is the recipe and one is my guest. तो मैं बनाने वाली हूँ तंदूरी chicken. So welcome Darren, my son-in-law. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome to Family Food Tales. Now that you're part of the family.
I'm super excited to be here.
So आज क्या बनाने वाले हैं? तंदूरी chicken.
Tandoori chicken.
तन
Tan.
Correct. तंदूरी. Yay! So सबसे पहले we'll take the chicken and we have to make incisions like this.
So why are we cutting it?
The marination goes right inside. इसके लिए थोड़ा मेहनत करना पड़ता है, but I'm sure the results are going to be great. In this we need 2 marinations. So we will put the chicken inside. Now we're going to add some salt and you have to nicely rub all the ingredients in.
Perfect.
Okay. Right, there's salt. We need the Kashmiri red chilli powder because it gives you a nice color.
Can you use any other powder?
You can use, but it's just that the color of that Kashmiri chili.
That iconic
red. And we don't use any
food color.
Okay. You can rub it. Yeah, and add some lemon juice. So the idea is that the marinade goes right inside, deep inside. And इसलिए मैंने Darren को बुलाया ना ताकि मेरे हाथ ना गंदे हो. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है सीखना. And I'm sure this dish is going to turn out absolutely delicious. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana, so what are you waiting for? Do so now, right away. Go and subscribe to our channel. अगर आपके पास कोई suggestions है तो आप हमको लिख के भेजिए. हम ज़रूर वो recipe आपको सिखाएंगे.
Just like how I've asked my mother-in-law to teach me this recipe.
I think this is done now. You can wash your hands and I'll keep this in the fridge. So, now that we have the first marinade ready, we will do the second marinade. We need to turn on the gas. We put about half a teaspoon of ajwain, just dry roasted, and about 2-3 spoons of besan. जिनको थोड़ा मेहनत नहीं करना है, वो जो हमारे पास ready-made दालिया आता है, which is roasted chana dal actually, you can just grind it in the mixie and then use it. So then you don't need to roast it. So I'll take the yogurt. This is hung yogurt. And then we need to add all the other ingredients. I think I'll do that and you do this so that you learn. So now you can add the red chili paste. And this is the Kashmiri red chili paste. It's nicely roasted, see? Can you see?
Right.
You have to be careful not to burn it. Okay, now we can add the ginger garlic paste.
1 spoon should be good.
You can put all, I think.
Rachita and I both love her.
जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं अच्छा से सुनहरा ब्राउन हो गया है. मैंने गैस बंद कर दिया है. आजकल जो है खाना दोनों लोग बनाते हैं, boys and girls.
Absolutely.
So now we can add some of that mustard oil. We've added the mustard oil which will give a nice smoky flavor. Then we have salt to taste. And we'll add the black salt also. Garam masala. Little bit of red chili powder. We can mix all of it again.
Right.
तो जो mustard oil हमने डाला था उसको आप एकदम smoking point पे ले जाइए, फिर उसको ठंडा करके फिर इस्तेमाल कीजिए. So now we'll add the roasted chana dal and the ajwain. Here we don't have the tandoor.
Right. So what can you use instead of that?
You can put in the oven.
Okay.
Or if you have a tandoor, you know, we have that gas tandoor, we can put it on that. It's looking good, yeah. So I think we should get our chicken out from the fridge. Yes, so we have the chicken. Now you can transfer it. He's doing all the hard work and I'm just doing the talking. I'm loving it.
So I'm making sure that I get it in every single nook and cranny.
Yeah, so that is why we have done the slits, you know, so that it goes right inside. And once this is done, 1 घंटा at least हम लोग ऐसे ढक्कन लगा के, cling film लगा के फ्रिज में रख देंगे. जो मेहनत का काम है ये है. And then, did you taste the gajar halwa that she made?
Oh, it was amazing. I just savored every single bite.
आपने नहीं देखा ना वो गाजर हलवा का रेसिपी, तो क्या कर रहे हैं, जाके देखिए संजीव कपूर खजाना पे.
What are you waiting for? Go check it out now.
Yeah, exactly.
After this video.
After this video, correct. तो देखिए इतने अच्छे से मैरिनेट हो गया और 1 घंटा भी हो गया है.
Right.
I've got it back from the fridge and now what do we have to do?
I'm assuming bake it.
कुछ नहीं करना, एक ट्रे है मेरे पास जो मैंने ग्रीस किया हुआ है.
Right.
And we'll just place it on this. So we'll just take one piece at a time and place it. अगर आपको और तीखा चाहिए तो आप थोड़ा सा रेड चिली फ्लेक्स भी इसमें डाल सकते हैं.
So I see that there's some butter that we've left on the
Yes.
side. Do we need that now?
Not now. We'll put this in the oven, and once it's done,
Right.
we'll take it out a little bit, baste it with butter, and then put it back in. So now our tray is ready. हम इसको बेक करने के लिए ओवन में रख देते हैं for about 40 to 45 minutes, and I
Perfect.
think 200 degrees should be good.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go. तो अब हमने ओवन में रख दिया इसको बेक करने के लिए, पकाने के लिए. तो आप कहीं भी मत जाइए, हम जल्दी आ रहे हैं वापस हमारे चिकन के साथ. तंदूरी चिकन.
Tandoori chicken. Wow, it's looking amazing. It looks
Yeah.
so good. This char and it looks so juicy. I can't wait to dig in.
We can maybe baste it with a little butter, so it'll give a little nice
Wow.
glazy look. If you want to, और नहीं तो आप नहीं भी करोगे तो भी चलेगा. I want him to taste it. It must be hot.
It's like melt in your mouth good.
Yeah. बनाइए, खाइए, खिलाइए, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. Thank you so much, Darren, for coming and
Thank you for
helping me with this
having me.
recipe. And don't forget to give your comments in the comment column below.
And we can't wait to see what comments you have about this amazing dish right here.